I think there's got a bit of hook in here. This one? Yeah. Do you want to try it? Alright guys. Alright guys, we are finally here at our location. The Chaser is complete. I'm so happy with this thing. It's been a year in the making, and guys, this is the finished product. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Wong, and today we have a killer video in store for you. This has been something that I've been wanting to do on my own car for a very long time. By the time you're seeing this video, it's probably going to be Christmas and close to a new year. So guys, in advance, I just want to wish you happy holidays. I hope you have a happy new year. But guys, we're going to get started on the JZX100 Chaser. This car has been with me since January of this year, and I haven't really done much to it. So I thought it's finally time. Let's send it before the end of 2022 and get this car looking and sitting just a little bit better. If you guys have tuned into the previous videos with the Toyota Chaser, I had a set of BBS LM Minds Evolution wheels on this car, but it didn't sit quite right because it was a little bit too wide for the car. So today we are going to have my dream wheels fitted on the Toyota Chaser. You guys would have seen that my S15 has a set of Dash YT37s, and well guys, I think it's only fair that we do something a little bit matchy with this car today. Oh, it's been a journey. I absolutely love driving this thing, but it's kind of taken a bit of a back seat in regards to the other cars and builds and videos that we've got on here. So guys, I think it's time. Let's get started on this video. It's gonna be sick, guys. Alright guys, so before we get started on today's video, I just want to show you guys a little pickup that I've got for my camera. I know you guys have been asking me which camera I use. I'm actually shooting on the Sony a7S III, and I'm going to be using a new lens. It is the PZ1635 f4, so this just came out, and I can't wait to fit this on the camera. Wow, this thing is so tiny. So this lens has a sick feature. I can literally zoom it in super smoothly. I hope you guys are liking the new lens. So it's actually a little bit wider instead of the 17mm. Awesome looking M3 here. Then you've got Vincent's CL1R that I actually did a video on way back, probably a year ago. And we actually said in this video that it looked like a Chaser. Funny enough, I ended up buying a Chaser, and it is right next to Vincent's CL1R. This is an awesome car. If you guys haven't checked out the video of Vincent's Accord Euro R, definitely check it out. I got a lot of flack for sticking some wide ass wheels on it being a little bit high, so we're gonna address that today. It's gonna be sick, but I feel like my DoorDash order is here. Hey mate. Good, thank you. Cheers. Thanks. Hey, the boys. What's up? Welcome. Mason, hello. My man. Maddie, how are you, bro? How's the crown?
Still there, still running. It's good. Nothing done to it. I got new plates, that's about it.
Oh, what plates?
The Canada. When are your plates going?
What plates?
The cool plates.
I don't have cool plates.
Those are cool plates. Don't you? Like the no, but didn't you get other ones?
Yeah. You were there actually when I got the keys on the S15.
Yeah, and we had to squeeze them in.
Oh man, how scary was that drive we went on ages ago?
That was pretty terrifying. Could be mine.
Let's hope that it does better this time with
some nice wheels, not
some nice wheels and tires. Yeah, so we're probably gonna have to send it later. So let's do it. I'm gonna miss these stock wheels though. We had such a good time driving this car with Twix when she came down from Sydney.
I'm ready.
Have you been in a Chaser before?
No, this is my first time.
So we'll just give it a bit of boost, yeah. I think it's time we finally got some grip. So next time you come down, Twix, it's going to be way better to drive. Ooh, smack it.
Yeah. Look at that mustache. You can't see it zoom in, so just make it normal.
It's kind of neat.
I wasn't expecting to be on camera. I would have combed it.
Yeah, would have combed it.
Oh, my lord. A set of new raised lug nuts to match. This is a semi-slick tire, so it's not really the skinniest of tires. But, yo, that looks rowdy. Oh my god. Look at that fitment.
Are they squared?
They're square all round. So guys, this is actually the exact same tire size, wheel size as the S15.
Yeah, I don't want to change it up or anything.
Exactly. As you guys can see underneath, we had all these IKEA Formula arms fitted in a video a little bit back. All right, guys. We're gonna go fit these TEs on the crown now. Let's go. Canada athlete. Exactly. The cut of the crown. Can you imagine this?
Actually, where do you have them?
So the truth is, guys, I got it for a really good price.
Table,
Wow.
wheels, Christmas presents.
And that is what you call practicality.
Typical Japanese.
Can do it all. One JZ. Right here. Toyota.
Just advertisement. Thanks for watching.
If you guys haven't already seen, this is Mason's 1JZ Canada crown. And check this thing out here. This is sick. Those are super rare.
Next car question.
That's Eddie's car. He's never gonna sell it.
Why not?
This one.
Yeah, he's not gonna sell it, unfortunately.
What if I give him 10 grand?
I'll give him a pat on the back.
Alright guys, let's get in. Hello, hello.
Hello. I'll let you in.
Thank you, bro.
It's so hot today.
Because of you. Have you driven a Chaser in a while?
Oh, back then, like, long time ago.
Long time ago.
Long time ago. I think that's got a bigger turbo, yeah?
This one? Do you
Yeah.
want to try it? Let's try it.
It's new tires.
Yeah, new tires. You gotta see if it works. Alright, guys. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh, and he sold it. Let's go.
Chin brake.
Oh, this clutch is so hard. They're struggling with
We're
it.
struggling with the chin brake now.
Oh my god.
Careful.
Oh, it feels really planted though.
Wait. Keep going.
It's not a Honda.
It's not a Honda.
Oh my god, this thing rips. How do you find it?
Yeah, it's good. The boost coming really smooth.
Yeah.
So, because I'm not like really like turbo guys. I don't
Yeah.
want to VTEC guys.
You like NA power.
Yeah, and the power all the way to the line, 9,000 RPM.
9,000. Unfortunately, we can only go to 7.
Oh, that's fine. 6 is quick enough.
Yeah. Thank you
Alright,
so
all
much.
good.
Appreciate it again.
Beautiful cars.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your Christmas.
Definitely check out Seeker Motorsport if you guys haven't
Wait,
already.
wait,
I'm going to a.
Oh,
I'm going. Did I tell you?
no.
I'm going.
Serious?
Thanks
So
so much,
guys,
man.
Thank you
Appreciate
so
it.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Alright, see ya.
Happy holidays. Alright guys, we are back in the Toyota Chaser. Oh my god, I can't believe this thing is rolling on some T's. I'm actually still in shock that this is actually happening. I apologize for the content being just so all over the shop today. It has been a very busy day. We're heading off and we're gonna go pack up the wheels that are currently sitting in the back of this thing. Then I'm gonna go show you guys the car in detail with the new look and just as to how this car finally drives. I'm so excited. This project has been a year in the making and oh guys, this is epic. Alright guys, we are finally here at our location. The Chaser is complete. I'm so happy with this thing. It's been a year in the making and guys, this is the finished product. Guys, this has been a journey and a half. We've done so much content this year. I really want to say thank you so much to everyone that's been tuning in to all the content, the videos, the reviews, the build updates. We've had so many things happen this year. The S15, the Chaser, so many awesome people that I've met along the way as well. So guys, this car is literally a celebration of everything that you guys have done to support the channel. I really wanted to get this done before the end of 2022. Life has been so busy lately and I've got so many things in store for 2023. This is only just the beginning, guys. So I just want to say once again, thank you so much for everyone tuning in and all the support. We're about to hit 65K and 2023 is going to go absolutely crazy, guys. So let's do a quick walk around of the Chaser As you can see, this is the same car essentially, but we've got my favorite wheels of all time, TE37s in dashed white. These are 18, 9.5, 22, wrapped in Bridgestone RE71 RSs. These are exactly the same wheel size, tire size, and specs as my S15, so it's matching. I can't wait to have these two cars side by side together in the garage, and probably in a later photo shoot. It's gonna be so cool. But guys, this is pretty much how it looks. It's about a finger gap, but I'm just so happy with this thing. I can't wait to start driving it. There are a few teething issues that I want to fix with the car, most notably the clutch. But apart from that, guys, I really am enjoying this thing. But guys, I think enough rambling. This video has been all over the shop. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog style content as well. Guys, I think it's time we jumped in and go for a drive. I just want to say a huge thank you to Mace and the boys for coming out and always helping me with some of the videos. It's been really helpful, and can't help but appreciate you for all your work, man. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Beanie.
And Matt for all his antics and shenanigans. It's always a good time with the boys. But yes, another year of good fun to come. All right, man, let's go. So first off, with the TEs, the car feels so much more planted to the ground. You've got some awesome rubber as well. So I think you guys are probably waiting for me to send it.
Around the corner.
Yeah, not around the corner. Let's go, guys. It is so stuck to the tarmac.
It's grippy.
Corner. Wow. It's very, very planted now. Bit of body roll still. I want to stiffen up these coils, but yo, this thing is sick.
Gee, believer.
Oh my god, it still rips. Way better now with these tires as well. And that noise. Oh man, this thing is
What do you think?
so sweet. Yeah, what do you think, guys?
Not bad.
Not bad? So
it can do more though.
it can do way more than that. But I mean, as it is, it's a really good streeter.
Apart from the clutch, but
Apart from the clutch, which has given me so much grief, so we're going to address that in 2023. We're going to be driving this car way more as well. We have so many plans coming in the next video as well. You guys are going to see it's going to be absolutely crazy. Let's park it up next to the Crown.
1J boy.
The 1J boys. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video on the Toyota Chaser, as well as every single thing that I posted this year. It's been a real pleasure showcasing you all these cars, and I've had such a blast doing so, and I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. You guys have been absolutely amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Toyota Chaser with its new look and the T37s, and what other things you want to see done on the car in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, guys, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. As well as that, guys, consider subscribing to the channel. Wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2023 with a whole lot of awesome content in store. Catch it real soon.